India have finished day 1 of the first test in Antigua at a 203 for 6. Rishabh Pant and Ravindra Jadeja were the unbeaten batsmen for the visitors when rain forced play to be called off prematurely. West Indies put India in a spot of bother after electing to field first. A terrific opening spell on a lively pitch by seamers Kemar Roach and Shanon Gabriel left India reeling at 25 for 3 in 8 overs. Ajinkya Rahane then combined with KL Rahul and Hanuma Vihari to steady the ship thereon. However, West Indies struck back in the tea session to again put India in a bit of trouble. Rain came down in 69th over to stop play.